Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have a 20-inch by 20-inch canvas and I want to do a Dutch pour on it. So I just spread out all my white paint. Get the air bubbles out of it. And I've mixed up a few colors. I have a phthalo blue. I have a medium yellow. And I have a quinacridone magenta. And I'm just going to kind of go for it here. I don't know how this is going to turn out on such a large canvas. But put my blue in the middle. Down some magenta. I didn't mix up as much yellow. Don't want quite as much yellow in the picture here. I'm going to surround it with my white paint. I have all these paints thinned down to a nice fluid consistency so they move well with the hairdryer. Need a torch, get rid of the air bubbles. Okay. Okay. Give it a little look here. I scraped it pretty good with the blow dryer there. Let's see what I can do about that. Put a little bit of white in here. A little bit of my colors down. Okay. Did it again right there. Let's see. Oof. Let's see if I can fix it. There we go. It looks much better. like it, I like it. Got some pretty cool things going on. I like the way the colors are kind of separated out. We have more blue over here, a little more green coloring out down here. It's very, very pretty. I'm gonna zoom the camera down because I can't really pick this one up and show you quite the same way that I always do. But it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thanks for coming and painting with me tonight, guys. I appreciate it. It's a lot of fun. I hope you like it. I really like it. I'm loving this one. Colors are perfect. So, thanks for visiting with me tonight. Bye.